Hello everyone. In last few days, you might be hearing about ReLevel test, and some of you have already registered. And so many students told me that they could not register due to multiple reasons. Well, today I have some exciting news for you. ReLevel has announced that they are conducting all their tests free of cost in order to give candidate access to thousands of job opportunity across top companies. So before proceeding to the registration process and all that, let me introduce you about ReLevel, those who are not aware of this. ReLevel is a hiring platform. ReLevel has 50 plus company, including the top startup and unicorn company like Cred, Upgrade, Razorpay, 1MG, etc. So it has many top companies and packages are also quite huge. You can check it out by yourself, and it has 1,000 plus job opportunities for business development, backend development and frontend development role. So ReLevel is conducting tests on the basis of profile. So if you are interested in frontend development, go and take the test for the frontend development. And this test is completely online and it can be taken from anywhere. The best part of the test is you can get your score within 24 hours. Once you clear the test with the qualifying score, then ReLevel will generate your profile. And there they will be sharing your profile to the different companies. Companies will be reaching you for an interview. So you don't have to do much. You just have to take the test and relax and wait for the call letter or the company's interview call. The better your ReLevel score, the more company will reach out to you for an interview. Now, what is the eligibility criteria for this test? 18 plus year. If you are 18 plus, then you can take the test. Means no degree is required. Even if you are from B.Tech, M.Tech or any field, if you think you have the skill, you can take the test. To get the ReLevel profile, the candidate has to score 700 plus. Also, the candidate can retake the test after 30 days. So even if you're not qualifying it today, then you can take this test again after 30 days. And the top candidate will be rewarded with the exciting goodies like MacBook, iPhone, and so many. So if you are scoring well, you can get these goodies. Now let's see how to register for the ReLevel. So for that, you need to visit the website. I will provide you the link in the description box. As soon as you are landing on ReLevel.com, you need to sign up first if you are a new user. If you are an old user, then you can just log in. Now, I'll be clicking on the register for free. Now, it will be taking you to the page where you can see different profile like business development test, backend development test, front-end development test. So if you are interested in any of these, you can take, or if you are interested in multiple role, you can take the multiple test. Now suppose if I show you, I'm selecting business development test. Now you can see register for free and how many companies are associated with it. You can see the list over here. And if you go down there, you can see the description about the test. You can see the profile, how your profile will be looking like, and your ReLevel score, how the score will look like if you come at the bottom. Now here you can see who can participate in this test. So anyone above 18 plus, as I've already told you. Now you can see the brochure. You can see the brochure, you can download it. There you can see the eligibility criteria, how the test will be and what will be the timing of the test, what will be the syllabus of the test. So you can download the brochure and you can check it out. So as of now, I'll be going for the backend development test. And as soon as I click that, I can see the button register for free. I'll be clicking that. Any registration, it's as simple as any registration process. You can see here are the slots. So you can book your slot of your available on the basis of your availability, and you can also change the slot within 48 hours. So if you have selected a wrong slot, you can cancel it or you can reschedule it within 48 hours. You can reschedule your test. Now suppose I'm selecting one of the slot and that will be taking me to this start recording page. Now then what you have to do, you need to submit your video resume to confirm the test date. So for that, you can see the example already provided how to make the video resume. It is quite different and quite exciting that you don't have to upload some kind of resume because they are going to create your profile. So they will be taking care of each and everything. Only thing you need to do, create your video as professional as you can. You can see the video which is already in here for example, and you can start your recording, and that's all. So it's as simple as that. The good part about this, it's now free of cost. So what are you waiting for? Go and register yourself if you haven't registered it yet. See, this is free opportunity. Means you just need to take our test just like any other placement test. So here you don't have to worry about anything. In the college, what happens? Some companies visiting, some companies not visiting. So what here they are giving you an opportunity so that you can choose your company if you have scored well. So try your luck. You can retake the test after 30 days. It's free of cost. Check out their syllabus and prepare yourself. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and liked this video and understood. If you find this video informative, then don't forget to press thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed it yet. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching.